India is among 17 mega biodiverse countries in the world, so it is our responsibility to take care of this natural heritage. The increasing population is affecting a prosperous land of forest, biodiversity and wildlife, so it is very important to make people aware. Keeping this in mind, a unique botanical garden is emerging near Visapur village of Ballarpur Tehsil in central Chanda Forest Division. It will be the third largest botanical garden of India. The area of 101 hectare of this botanical garden is mainly divided into two zones, conservation zone and recreation zone. This site is just 45 minutes drive from the world-famous Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve's Moharli Gate. It will be an open learning and study center of the plant species of Vidarbha forest. This botanical garden is a miniature natural world where various life forms which are plants, animals and microbial organisms coexist and interact with each other. The garden is uniquely placed to teach people about the importance of plants and their diversity in our lives and in global ecosystem. By highlighting the threats that plants and habitats faces, Botanical Garden can help people look at ways in which biodiversity can be protected. In this Botanical Garden, recreation zone plays vital role. Having area of 14 hectare, the concept of master plan is derived from a shape of tiger paw. It will be a visual treat for nature lovers as this zone will have varieties of flora. The recreation zone will have entrance plaza with ample parking space, electric buggy stand, exhibition center, which is specially designed to hold exhibitions and displays where individuals and groups can gather to promote and share common interests. Design is inspired from various shapes and forms available in nature. Canna and Gladiolus Garden, Administrative Office, NBRI Office, Herbarium and Training Center, Children Park, Science Center. The unique structure is combination of RCC, steel, ECP and glass. It will be equipped with all sort of scientific training and playing equipments for enthusiastic students. Auditorium on first floor of Science Center with seating capacity of 115 will project astronomical documentaries. Aquarium. The shell-shaped aquarium will display a variety of sweetwater and saltwater aquatic life. This surely will be a visual and educational trait for nature lovers, and unique feature will be the glass tunnel where visitors will get a feel of underwater life. Cafeteria. For more visual treats to visitors, the cafeteria has been designed in the shape of a historical naval ship. Artifacts and pictures of this era will be put on display other than the exotic food served. Planetarium. The planetarium is the entertainment and learning center for featuring shows about space in domed theater and stargazing events. It will help in spreading knowledge of science and astronomy through various events and programs, which will be a part of learning as well as entertainment for the viewers. Underground Museum. This museum will mostly feature natural history related exhibits. The design is unique and the portion above of deep landscape. Enclosed Butterfly Garden. The massive steel, ECP and glass structure will be home to native as well as exotic butterflies. It will have a live water stream and a canopy walk to get a glimpse of butterfly from above. In this enclosed garden, breeding center of butterflies is also there. The shape of structure is inspired from the cocoon from which the butterfly emerges. Conservation zone of Botanical Garden. It is divided into 4 sub-zones in which semi-evergreen zone, dry deciduous zone, thorny zone, moist deciduous zone. 4 zones covers area of 87 hectare and plantation is possible in 71 hectare of area. In this plantation area, 28,400 saplings have been planted successfully, in which 90% of plants are healthy. Conservation zone consists of number of plantations like bamboo plantation containing 1700 bamboo saplings, In this plantation, mainly golden bamboo, katang bamboo, green bamboo, marvel bamboo and many other different species of bamboo have been planted. Bougainvillea plantation. Total 2500 bougainvillea saplings have been planted on outer side of conservation wall with pink, purple, red, white and yellow bougainvillea species. Plantation on border wall of recreation and conservation zone. Plantation is in the straight line on border wall of recreation and conservation zone. 354 plants of Buddha and ficus have been planted as well as 1400 Ixora bamboo plants have been planted. Plantation on compound wall side of recreation zone. On Ballarpur Chandrapur highway, 157 saplings of golden bamboo have been planted and 300 saplings of katang bamboo have been planted near compound wall of sports complex. Plantation surrounding water body. The water body, which is formed in conservation zone to make it more attractive, saplings of fruit trees have been planted into 3 rows surrounding water bodies. Banyan, peepal, kusum, cherry and other types of saplings have been also planted. Bamboo setum. Gabions will be erected along stream and water bodies. At this site, 267 Buddha bamboo saplings have been planted. Smritivan. It is a place where eminent visitors will be planting trees as a memory of their visit. Open butterfly garden. Different species of flower plants are being planted in butterfly garden. Pathway. Pathway which is 3 meter in width is made in conservation zone. Using that pathway, visitors can visit the garden in electric buggy. Palmatum. This is situated near open butterfly garden, which includes different kind of palm species like Caryota mitis, Cocos nucifera, Sabal palmetto, etc. In this palmatum, natural grass pasture is also produced. Pagoda. There are total 5 pagodas, 1 in recreation zone and other 4 are in conservation zone. Total 2 watchtowers are there in conservation zone. Water conservation work. Central water body. The central water body is situated in conservation zone of Botanical garden. Dumbbell shaped water body. There are 2 water bodies having dumbbell shape in this conservation zone. Kidney shaped water body. In spite of these water bodies, there are 4 more cement drain dams. Not only from India, but also from other countries, tourists, students, researchers, nature lovers can visit this botanical garden, which will be a great platform for all of them, like a university for learning. The mission of this garden is to serve as a conservatory, repository and heritage of biodiversity of the region, with ecological, cultural and educational benefits to the society with conservation values.